Have you ever thought that the loving relationship between husband and wife is not limited to worldly matters, but can also be a part of religion? Can fulfilling sensual desires also become an act of worship? And is it really true that Allah's mercy descends upon loving gazes? These questions might surprise you, but their answers can teach you a lot. If you want your relationship to be a source of success not only in this world but also in the hereafter, this video is for you. Dear brothers and sisters, limiting marital relations to mere sensual desires is a significant misunderstanding. In reality, Islam has given this relationship both worldly and religious significance. If a woman intends to please her husband and seeks Allah's pleasure through her actions, then every act becomes an act of worship. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said that any action done for the sake of Allah's pleasure is rewarded. For instance, if a woman is engaged in household chores, child rearing, or serving her husband with the intention of earning Allah's pleasure, she will be rewarded for all these deeds. A hadith mentions that the mutual relations between husband and wife also bring reward. The companions asked the Prophet, PBUH, whether fulfilling these desires, which are typically driven by physical needs, would be rewarded. The Prophet, PBUH, explained that if these desires are fulfilled through unlawful means, it would be sinful. However, since husband and wife fulfill these desires in accordance with Allah's commands, they will be rewarded. Another hadith states that when a husband looks at his wife with love and the wife looks at her husband with love, Allah bestows His mercy upon both of them. This shows that the marital relationship is not only worldly but also a means of attaining success in the hereafter. The story of Aisha, R.A., also teaches us the religious importance of marital relations. She used to fast the missed Ramadan fasts during Shaban, wanting to align with the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, who observed more fasts in that month. This highlights that a wife should also consider her husband's pleasure, even in acts of worship. Islam has set out the rights and duties of both husband and wife. For example, the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, clarified that a husband has the right to ensure that his wife does not allow any person he dislikes into their home, even if it is a close relative. Similarly, regarding the use of the bed, a wife should not allow anyone her husband dislikes to sit on it. This illustrates that Islam has defined the limits and rights of marital relations, which must be respected. Marital relations are not just worldly matters but pathways to the hereafter and paradise. With the right intention, every act can become an act of worship. Islam teaches us to conduct all our relationships with the intention of earning Allah's pleasure to improve both our world and the hereafter. This video brings a new perspective. If you have learned something from it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to receive more content on important topics.